Alright, y'all. I am back. Damn. I am back. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta hit this record button. This record button, you know what I'm saying? And we can get this video started. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Bruh, it's 2 in the morning, bruh. It's 2 in the morning, bro. That's how dedicated I am. I'm dedicated to the grind. Cause it's 2 a.m., bro. And I'm getting tired, but you know what I'm saying? It don't really matter. Cause we getting to the Bucks. Just like Giannis. You feel me? We ain't getting no sleep around here. Type shit. I don't know what the fuck I just said. That shit sound... I don't know, bruh. Bruh. But what is, bro? Is there no, bro? If there... I would put my shit on females only, but I don't want to pay $7 for that shit, bruh. That shit dead. That shit dead as hell, bruh. You always do this. No more excuses. What's up, Nicole?
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm sick, so I can't sleep.
We in the same boat right now, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm waiting for this to hit.
What's that?
The cough relief.
You do drugs?
No, I'm coughing, but I can't sleep if I'm coughing every 5 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, my fault, Nicole. Where you from?
DC.
Damn. Is it lit down there?
I mean, yeah, there's always like a political event going on.
Damn. You trying to find me out?
No.
Really? Well, I'll fly you out.
What state are you even in?
North Carolina. What?
Cool.
Hey, you know Duke Dennis?
Mm-mm.
You know Casanat?
I've heard of that name.
Damn.
What does he do?
He's a streamer.
Oh. Oh, Kai.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard of him. I don't really like watching videos.
Damn, you out for that. I'm a close friend of his.
That's cool.
Hell yeah. He got a party coming up and type shit. Like, you trying to get invited?
I'm pretty busy, thank you though.
Damn, your ego is kind of crazy.
What do you mean?
Your ego, bruh.
What ego?
Like, damn, bruh. Chill out. Well,
My medicine's finally working.
You 21 for real?
Yeah.
Damn. Type shit.
Are you not?
I'm 20, yeah, I'm 20.
Cool.
Yeah. Goodbye. That shit was dry as hell, bruh. I did not go nowhere with that conversation. How the fuck? The fuck you say that name, bruh? The kid, but I don't know that, bruh. That sounds bad. Oh my god, bruh. No more excuses. Yo, Trap Star. I wanna be a star. So, I wanna be a billionaire. So fucking bad. Throat goat. Throat goat. She was asleep, but not out. You always do this. I know what I
Yo.
do. Yo.
What you fucking with again?
Bro, not much. I'm just trying to find the bitches, bro.
Bro, gangsta, bro. Where the bitches at?
Bro, I don't know, bro.
Yo, you got hoes on your Instagram?
Hell yeah.
Yo, bro, swing me some hoes, gang.
Hey, look, I'm linking with Ruby Rose tomorrow, bro. I got you.
Nah, yo, gangsta, bro, if you find some, for me, some brand new hoes.
Hey, I got you, bro.
Nah, yo, add me, Brady 5K, you heard? Brady 5K.
All right, bro, I got you, bro.
Yo, have a blessed night, you heard?
Hey, safety. I'm finna hit people with the Ruby Rose line, bro. The Bronx.
Do you play football?
Yo?
Do you play football?
Nah,
You lying.
I don't play football.
Then what do you play?
I'll play with Ruby Rose booty hole. Yo, what the fuck that supposed to mean, bro? I look like I play football because of my neck. What type of shit is that, bro? That's the most wildest shit I ever heard on Monkey in my life, bro. Dead ass, bro. No more excuses. You good? You good?
My first mushroom.
Huh?
I'm on my first mushroom trip.
Yo, speak English, bruh.
What?
Speak English.
I'm on my first mushroom trip.
Yo, wait, say that one more time.
I'm on my first mushroom trip.
Mushroom trip? The fuck is that? You crying? How old you is? And you crying like that? Why you in your feels? Who broke your heart?
I don't know. Wait, don't ask me questions like that.
Yo. Hey, bruh. It's just you and me right now. Talk to me. Yo, a nigga really broke your heart? And are you? But I don't know if you're laughing or crying, bruh. Are you laughing or crying? I'm here, type shit.
Wait.
Hello? Bro, what the fuck? That is crazy. That is crazy. Yo, Daniel.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up, Daniel?
Just breaking down some bud.
Word. That's what's up, bruh.
Better roll up. Yeah.
Tell you shit. Bro, I'm trying to find out bitches, bruh.
Bro, they're not on here, bro, for real. I
Well,
would say good luck. Like that ass. They're
I'm
dry.
for real. For real, bruh.
Like, I'll find more water in the motherfuckers, the hard desert.
That's wild, bro. Alright, safety. Oh, bro, that's wild, bro. Yes. No more excuses. You always do this. I know what I want. I've been reported. Bro, why I keep getting reported? Hey, my girl, I heard you love me. I know I'm on my mind. That nigga had a fool. What?
Bro, I hate light skinned niggas, bro. Crazy.
I hate niggas with no hair on their head.
Nigga, I don't care. I'm blessed to be bald head.
That nigga thought that shit was funny.
No, I'm just saying, for real, I'm blessed to be bald head, my nigga.
Michael Jordan.
No, not that bald. So, something like, you know, little waves and shit. Yeah, something like that.
Oh, you got waves.
Yeah.
But we dreadheads on top right now.
What?
Us dreadheads is on top right now.
What the dread?
Bro, you got waves, but you're not getting no motion in the ocean though.
Fuck, the girls don't want fuck with the most dreads for real though.
Exactly. That's why us dreadheads do it the best. Yeah.
Hell nah.
Hell yeah.
That shit cap. Who told you that, boy?
Cause girls like to play with hair type shit.
You listen to that shit cause Sexy Red? No.
What's wrong with Sexy?
What?
Sexy been doing her shit lately. What's wrong with Sexy?
I mean, she's trash. Ain't she ugly, bitch? She ain't fine.
Stop lying. You know you will tap that.
Hell no.
Yeah, nah,
only person hit a mulatto, bro. Mulatto fine for it.
Oh, mulatto. Oh yeah. Okay, I see you. Okay. Okay, mulatto. Oh yeah, mulatto. Hey.
Hey, who you messing with mulatto or like out of mulatto? Cardi B some shit.
Cardi B. I'll second have that. Ruby Rose. Nah.
She alright.
Not Ruby Rose. Oh, bro. Oh my gosh. If they don't do the Ruby Rose, oh my god. Who else? Ash Cash. Hell yeah. Tight shit. What about Angel Reese?
Dang, cut a whole bunch of people. Hey, she precious though. She precious.
That's what I do. That's what I do.
Oh my god, bro. Yeah, bro, get that fucking mop off your fucking head with those big ass lips.
Get them glasses, bro. Get them glasses on your face, you ugly ass nigga. Put your face out the camera.
Stripes on that fucking nose. Holy fuck.
Yo, you a 4
Go back to fucking English class, bro. Holy.
What is it today? It's what?
Hey, put your face in the camera. Put your face in the camera. Put your face in the camera.
Put your face in the fucking camera, bro.
Oh wait, are you dumb? Are you dumb? Okay, we just found dumbest and dumbest, bro. Yo, shut your bitch ass up, bro. That's why I got your IP address, bro.
You fell from the fucking Nigerian apple tree, bro.
This nigga think he eating right now, bro. I got your IP address.
Bro, your teeth look like my fucking nuts. Holy fuck, bro.
You're just mad. You're mad cause my. Yeah, that's what I thought. This nigga was saying a whole bunch of nothing, bro. I would slap the dog shit out of him, bro. Word, bro. I'm just gonna start telling people the IP address, but I shouldn't use any, bro. No, so the people not fucking with the pineapple, bro. Crazy. No more excuses. You always do this. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe right now, or else I'm taking your booty holes tonight, bro. Word. No more excuses. You always do this. I know what I want. I know what I want. Yo, you like Lay Banks, bruh.
What?
You like Lay Banks.
Fuck, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, fuck, I don't.
Bro, those some big ass glasses, bruh. Damn. Oh, you like someone too, but I'm not gonna lie.
She like Arthur, huh?
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
Bro, I can't. But she look like someone, bro. I just can't get her on my.
No, it's not. I know who she look. No, she look like somebody named Nikki. Not the Nikki you're.
Bro.
Have Have you watched the Deshae? Do you watch Deshae Frost?
Hell yeah, that's my brother. I'm dead ass. I could text him right now.
Stop the cap.
Did you watch like his little seasons?
Yeah, I was in tune.
So you know the light skinned girl. Well, there was a lot of light.
Yeah, which one?
Okay, you watched the first season. You know he got 2.
Yeah.
Have you watched the first one?
Yeah.
Name somebody that's in there. The one that Cleo was in.
Cleo, AZ, which one? Damn, there's a lot.
Your walls look beat up.
It is.
Shut up, bro. I'm trying to like get him to.
Okay, there's AZ, Cleo, damn.
Let me just show you.
Bro, that's a lot,
what
bro.
she looks like. Okay, wait. Cause she was in his season. I don't know her name, but like, bro, her name. She was really light skinned. She wasn't even light. She was mixed. She had braids.
Wait, was she the one that got kicked out? Bruh, I know who you're talking about. I just can't.
Okay, her. Damn, I need a clear picture. What's wrong with this? You look like her. Okay, her.
Oh, her, yeah.
Did you see? You look like her.
Okay. Okay, I see where you're going.
Do you know somebody named Cameron?
Me? Cam who?
She can't say her last name. Name somebody.
Wait, where you from?
Huh? Where are you from?
I'm from North Carolina.
Name somebody.
Cam.
Cam who?
Cam go.
You know,
huh? Cam Brown. Cameron Payne.
Do you know someone with a last name? I mean,
No.
with with an M as a last name.
Nah. Why?
I don't know. Why was I don't know if she had.
Where y'all niggas at?
Cali. Wait, I said Cali.
Where y'all niggas at? Where y'all niggas at?
Your dumb ass gonna say Cali, bro. Oh, I thought you. Oh, I just said like where going. Oh, nowhere.
See, I just. But you like that ass late banks, bro. But. My last name? Oh, you fake.
See, she looked dead on like her.
Yeah, oh God.
Bro, yes she do. I always thought this, but I couldn't find her app.
Yo. That's crazy.
You over here saying what people look like. Tell him what he look like.
Bruh, you go ahead.
He look like Y, but what is it? Y? You think everybody look like?
People say I look like.
No. I'm talking about YB in the mirror. Oh yeah.
People say I look like young version of DDG.
What you trying to do though? Like the little.
Summers, whoever that is. I guess it's a rapper. Someone said Young Nudie. Someone said, bro, that's a lot.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
So what on here?
I'm looking for the Huz. That's Summers?
Yeah.
Yeah, they sound like him. No, but the main person is a younger version of DDG or Baby Rich. Baby Rich.
Baby Rich, yeah, he look like him.
Yeah.
Like, I think why the mirror.
Bruh, what?
If Baby Rich and the mirror had kids, I know that sound like, but yeah, like.
Anyways, which one y'all trying to FaceTime a nigga, bruh? I'm bored. Thank you. Skip. No more excuses. You always do this. I know what I want. Hey, it's time for another video. It's about time to end this shit right here. I ain't gonna lie. These niggas better be top tier. You feel what I'm saying? Like, damn. Alright, y'all. That's the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications up, bell on, because if you don't, I'm coming. You feel what I'm saying? This is the second video. This is the second video. I might make 2 more, 3 more. You don't know. Just stay tuned. And I'll see you on the next video.